Okay, so I've been doing yet more test prints, trying out different settings. And what I've found is here that actually when I increase the speed, the numbers appear to be a lot better, but then I started to lose the exterior fill. But this was on a slow speed and it just mushed everything up, because what's happening is the nozzle is staying there for too long and it sort of melts it. So I found out that actually a higher speed produces better quality fidelity. And then I had a load of issues with getting the base. I don't know if you can really see it there, but there we go, we can see it on this one a bit clearer. I had loads of issues with getting the base to actually go down solid, and it turned out that I had to reduce the width of the first layer line by about 5%. It's counterintuitive, you'd think you'd have to make the line thicker, but it turns out that you reduce the actual thickness. So there we go. That's all the prints so far, and the one on the bed. I'm wasting all my PLA. And that's pretty much it, guys. Just wasting all my PLA at the moment on dialing in these settings, but we'll get there eventually. I'm sure we will get there eventually and actually have a really good calibrated printer. I guess it's just like calibrating the thing to print right. So I'm learning a few things about what it means to print on this QuidiTech I printer and FDM printing in general. So see you in the next one, and thank you for watching, guys. Bye.